Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect Stripe to Kajabi. All right. So first up, log into your Kajabi account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the bottom left and click on Settings. Right. Click on it. And once it loads, go ahead and find third-party integrations right here under Site Settings. All right. Just click on this one. And then as you can see here, we have PayPal, and then we have a third-party processor as well. So when you click on View Third-Party Processor, Stripe should be available. All right, as you can see here, Stripe. And if you set up Kajabi payments, Klarna, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard will be enabled as well. Okay, if you just want to connect Stripe, just click on Connect right here. If you have a Stripe account, just click on Log into Stripe. And if you don't have a Stripe account, just click on Create Stripe account in here. Okay, log into Stripe if you do have an account. Type down the email address and of course the password. And once done, all you need to do here in this page is just go ahead and just scan this QR code using your phone, and then just hit on next, follow the simple prompt. And once done, when you return to your Kajabi account, your Stripe right here will say connected. Okay. Now, if you stumble upon some errors, like for example, it says, looks like this account has been connected to another Kajabi site. Well, all you need to do is just create a new account within your existing Stripe account, just like what is stated right here as well. Now, again, if you don't have a Stripe account, just click on create from the prompt. Okay, it's pretty easy. As you can see here, the steps are easy to follow. And that is it. That's how you connect Stripe to Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.